This video is going to show you one method for making soap. Begin by preparing the lye solution. To do this, pour approximately 40 milliliters of water in a medium-sized beaker. Add a small magnetic stir bar and adjust the rate of stirring so that it's stirring gently and not splashing. Once you're happy with the rate of stirring, you'll start adding approximately 16 grams of sodium hydroxide NaOH. You'll want to add the sodium hydroxide in small batches, not all at once. Notice that I do not have the heat turned on the hot plate for this process. It's going to take quite a while for the sodium hydroxide to dissolve, so while it's dissolving, I'm going to move on to preparing the combination of fats and oils that I'm using for this soap. This recipe calls for approximately 55 grams of olive oil, which is what I'm measuring right now. Once I have the olive oil measured, I'm going to use the same graduated cylinder without cleaning it to measure approximately 28 milliliters of coconut oil. And again, using the same graduated cylinder, I'll be measuring about 40 milliliters of palm oil. Once I have all three of those oils combined, I'm going to place another magnetic stir bar in that beaker and turn the stirring up. Again, no splashing. I want to make sure that all of the oils are combined. Here's how you'll know when it's time to combine the two solutions together. Number one, all of the solid NaOH has dissolved. Number two, the two solutions are within 5 degrees Celsius of each other. You might have to heat one of them up. Number three, both solutions are less than 54 degrees Celsius. Once you've achieved those three things, you can then pour the lye solution into the fats and oils and just keep stirring. It's going to take a little bit of time, but you'll continue to stir the solution until it thickens so that it has the consistency of cake batter or maybe pudding. And you can see here that this is a really good consistency of soap. When I stir it, the little trail from my stirring rod is left behind. You can then transfer the soap into whatever mold you're using. And after you have transferred it into the mold, we are going to lightly mist the surface of the soap with some isopropyl alcohol. And then we'll just let it sit and dry. After it's dried for a while, you can pop it out of the mold and let it continue to cure and harden before use.